How to set up your novel in Google Docs. First, what you have to do is make sure that you're signed in. You'll know if you're signed in just by your image right up here. And then you're going to click on these little Google apps right here. You're going to click this and it'll come up with a bunch of different things. Make sure you scroll down and go onto Docs. Click on that. Once it's fully loaded, you may or may not have all your documents right here. Obviously, I have nothing right here, but what we're going to do is just click on Start a new document, blank. There are lots of different options right here, different letters, personal, professional, and whatnot. But today we are just going to click on blank. It's pretty simple setting it up. What you want to do is start with your page setup. So what you'll do is make sure once you open it, you are going to click on File over here and go down and you'll click on Page Setup. And this is the really important part. What you want to do is make sure this applies to the whole document, be in portrait, paper size, go with letter. There's lots of different things you could do. If you're trying to make a smaller book, you could do this right here, statement, but for now, just stick with letter. Don't have to worry about any of your margins. If you want to change your page color, you can. I would suggest just sticking with white, but that's just my suggestion. Then you are going to press OK. And then this is where you will choose your font. Me, myself, I like Times New Roman. It's not in there, so let's just scroll down right here, Times New Roman. And then also I like to choose my font size to be 12. And that is how you do the initial page setup for Google Docs. What you'll see is that we are currently left aligned. What we want to do is be center aligned. That is when you are going to put in the title of your novel. And then what you'll do is you'll see this little section over here that says normal text. If you highlight it, it actually says styles. What you want to do is click on it and then apply title. And that will make your title nice and large. I like to do is bold it, so that makes it just even more impressive. And then you're going to press enter and then enter. Go center aligned again. Press your name right there. And then what you'll do is you are going to press Control Enter. That will create a page break right here, which will take you to the next page. Stay center aligned, and that is where you are going to put the first chapter of your book. So press chapter 1 right here. What I like to do is, again, go up to the styles section and click on it. And you could either do heading 1, 2, or 3. I like doing heading 1. And then what you'll do is just press enter right there. And as you can see over here, chapter 1 shows up. And you can just start writing, this is the start of chapter 1. There's your first sentence. Oh, I messed that up a little bit. There we go. We can fix it because Google Docs has a nice autocorrect feature. And what you can do is, let's say we go all the way down. Let's Control Enter a couple times. And what we can do, let's center align it. And then we'll put chapter 2 right there. We'll make it into a heading. As you can see, we're a handful of chapters away from the title. And if you look over here in this summary, you can click on title. It'll take you all the way back up to the title. You can make your edits there. And then you can go to chapter 1, chapter 2. And this summary tool over here is just really cool. And so this is the basic outline of how to set up your Google Docs with your novel. If you have any questions, definitely follow for more in the future, as we will be going over all the steps of creating your book in Google Docs.